I'm a person who really understands the situation. We have worked for several years. So you cannot tell me that I'm only just complaining for nothing. I'm not complaining. I'm telling you the information the way it is. I'm making my submission. It is very clear. It is extremely very clear. And I'm a clear-headed person, well-informed person, and I know exactly understand the situation. I really know and feel what the maltreatment you have taken me through. I really understand this very well. So, whatever the case it is, I had to come and openly tell you, so you can tell your colleagues, you can tell your commanders up there. You tell them that I really know everything. I know the conspiracy. I know the maltreatment that I've been taken through. I know the discrimination you're putting onto me as if I've made the worst scandals than anyone. Just because I managed to rebrand you people. I managed to repackage you. I gave you very positive PR, even amidst the worst of scandals. But just that small mistake that I made. So everybody's casting me out. I don't believe in that. All the programs that I've been working on should resume. And whoever has hijacked it, we're going to go into a battle. We're going to go into a battle. And a very crude battle of the media. At least I'm a custodian of several secrets of you people. If you push me out, I'm also going to counteract. I'm going to counteract. And I'm going to do the worst piercing into the fellowship. If you people don't revise, if you still treat me like an outcast, as an underclass, as an person, as an invisible individual who has never played any role in your lives, then that is the time I'm also going to do something.
Now, you mean I deliver this kind of information, the way you're packaging it, that you are threatening the fellowship? Is it the way you really want me to deliver the information?
I really don't care. I totally don't care. Whichever language you want to use, you deliver the information.
Okay, that's very okay. Whatever the case it is, yes, I believe something can be done about it. Now, I agree to the mistakes that have been done. They are the worst mistakes, and I'm very sorry about each and everything that went on. Now, I find it a very wise move for us to go and talk to the professor downstairs because he's already waiting for you. And I think something can be done about it. I'm very sorry for the incident. It is really, I admit there's something wrong which has been happening. But don't put the entire blame on the fellowship. But you also have to understand that Mr. Tamale Mirunda has also been doing his agitation. He has been fighting you. And we normally wanted to preserve you from this kind of quagmire because the recording was too much and the reader was very interested in playing your voice all the time. As much as it was a bit altered, but the message always remained intact. And that really was one of the top reasons why they had to avoid you. They were like, things were not that good, and they needed to try to avoid a very quick detection.
So let us remobilize ourselves, because this is a time we need a team. We need to be united. We need to be reunited to form a formidable force that is going to help us through this campaign. So much as anybody may be disgruntled about me, yes, I am a human being. I also make mistakes, I make errors. And it's human to do that. But the whole thing is that if I get remorseful, I apologize to you. These are just the things I never want to lose. If we choose to become a team, then let us be a team. And that team has to be very strong and stronger and the strongest as long as we choose to be. You see, I've gone through several humiliations. Look at what exactly happened when we went to Kapeka. Mathias didn't like me, yes, because of a lot of propaganda. Let me tell you, I'm not such a fool. I'm really not a fool. I want you to understand this. I also get information because I have people who can inform me. I have all the capacity to receive the information the way.
For that matter, the plan has been made, and it is a very clear motive. You cannot focus on rural schools and even those on islands. They had to reach areas. So the whole thing should be, none of the students ever paid for the exams, which means literally the exams are not there with your name. If they are there, they are the remainders of maybe the last setting, because the exams are not being set.
The process alone of printing these exams for all the students to have them is also not there. So, which means we are going to be time bad. And I want to communicate this very clearly. By the end of September, if schools have not opened between 15th August and 15th September, it is a dead academic year. So whatever the juggles we have to play right now should be between today and 15th September. Nobody will ever accept. Looking into the fact that even the campaigns are going to be digital. What else are you going to do? The education space will collapse because all the radios will be occupied by politics. The television stations will be occupied by politics. Obviously, the education has to go into total slumber. That is obvious. Now, we want to enact a program via the parents and the teachers to go into homeschooling. I know the teachers will welcome it because they'll be earning something. So the only thing we are going to do is to encourage homeschooling, then community-based schooling as we finish up the term, just to hold the learners busy, but not to contribute to the program of UNEB or for the academic year. It is going to be a social education intervention rather than something to contribute maybe to the exams and all that, the promotion of the runners from one class or level to another. That is going to be very impossible. So I think that answers your question.
No, thank you very much. I think you're very satisfied. Is there any other that needs to be? I see most of you have logged out. Yes, now the most important thing is to have a conclude with a solution, because the solution is all that is needed. The moment we have it, then we shall be very good to go.
Midundi. Kati oyo ayogera Minister wa Education, ayogera ayina stakeholding ikimu education. Sente bazikuba.
Obutambi buno bujjawa.
That is nkubulya nti ate mukakubye bubi. Baadde ba planningira president omulimba. Tugenda kuyita abayunatu era batudde nabo. Bagambe nti inspections zetukoza amasomero tekasobola kuggulawo. Kati omusajja asanga wano mbutwogerereyo nga tamanyi nti ate ebyo mbiyina ozanyire ku bwongo bwange nze amanyi temwatudde n'abayunatu bagambe nti tugambe president nti tetunnaba kubanga bwe tudda amasomero sente twaziri abasajja babiri ababba sente omwamulina ababiri babalinyisiza ennyonyi ya Uganda Airlines ne babaddusiza eggoma ly'omugagga ayinayo complex enamba kati abaagala Museveni nedda abo baagala Museveni abo baagala Museveni kyona bapapala simanyi radio simanyi TV kamba bulire mmwe in America buli nsi ayina ekyagireeteza constitution ya America ekugamba tewali muntu agenda kukola tteeka lyonna likwata ku mawulire tekiriyo. Abamerika bakugamba tukiyita gunde tuyina theory bwe tukiyita libertarian theory. Libertarian theory dictates allow everybody to talk, society yeyesalirewo. Tukiyita libertarian theory in mass communication. Kati baba America bakugaleka ayogere byobusirwa byogere society yesalirewo. Kakati ekyagireetesa ko libertarian theory yafa kuki? Agasajja gakola radio mu America ngeewemulabu wemuze kuva ku macha kuzibya budde. Ne bajuwera. Ne gagenda gagule mmeri mu international waters. Ne gatekako ebyuma byago. Era neewemulera nga bwe badde ewemula. Nga tebayina kyajjikolera. Until during the Falkland War, nti Russia yawa agenda technology ne batta gundi signals za BBC nga tebulira mu Latin America. Kakati mu Uganda ekyo temukirina nakamu nti you can fallacy here, you can fallacy kati oyo education bagisi abo bennyini. Katumba Wamala ali mu education ali mu gundi mu transport emeri tano ziri mu nyanja 4 vessels were deliberately sunk in Lake Victoria. emmeri 5 ziri mu nnyanja. Katumba amala ngenda muweereza akatabo nga genda wandiika about those vessels nga president aziwadde omusajja azijjeyo on his own cost. A fool in the Ministry of Works n'agamba nti if emmeri zino okuzijjayo nti bwe ziba damaged osasula ate bw'ozijjayo ovikanya n'abala ne bazijjayo ne bazitwala mu finance. 4 vessels are inside the waters of Lake Victoria as you battle. They are a hazard. Zina n'okkuba emmeri endala you battle red gundi boda. Kakati nasanyuse waliwo kesi yansanyudde mwete mbitegeera. Omusango bagusinga mu 26
bane
company abantu abamu naye nga balina okufuna sente zaabwe 1.6 billion bazitupositinga mu kooti nezitwala mu Ecobank nezibeerayo since 2006. kati babadde bali awo nga aliwo abazozi banja for the first time kankubireko mukakanizi mu ngalo. Mukakanizi yaziremesezzo zibba n'alaatinga ti abange nalabye people bani bakubyemu gundi bakubyemu ono omusajja Bigirimana gwe babonyabonye nnyo gwe bagoberera ng'alinga ati babadde bazibbi. Naye waliwo omukyala nze kye mbasaasirira omukyala bamuyita Nkonge Registra baddira siiru ye oba ne bagimubbako oba ne bakola endala kati gwe bawalabanya naye nga basiru naye kampuni yaani kampuni mwe babadde baddidde 1.6 yaani ya munene nga baasi. Kati Bobi Wine yakola mu Twezale. Bobi Wine awo wali awo ayinawo abantu baawo, which means you say whether I'm a madman, whether I'm a pro-Bobi Wine man, whether I'm not. Even the president can buli muntu yena gomchigamba asekabuses. I've just away my son here. Ngababi mutademu. Bobi Wine yakoze bwati. Bobi Wine nekiwena bakidusemu. Ebitombuli nsonga za muzayi gundi za mwe. Uyu mwana tasubula mbadde mukubano kati nomukube mwaso omutwe kunereka mukundi tya mu nsonga za mwe. Mugende muzimalire Gandhi report wamwe tobireta wange. Me I have nothing to do with your political parties. But I'm telling you, Bobi Wine does not have the capacity to register a party. And when he wanted to do what he has already done, it percolates also to an alien. Oyani abikola. Ani abikola. Ani abipinga maululi ya mubustinga. Yesimbe ono kwesimbawo. N'abantu banaba namboze bani ne bapakula musubi ne milioni 2. Is that money dead? Eyakwata namayanja namutwala kuba ensambu ne milioni 6. Is he dead? I'm seeing similarities between okulonda kwa Mao. What is changing now is that Mao is being destroyed. Why? A prostitute cannot be bought to twice singa wamuli yake banja. Mao has reached abo bagundi ono. Gwetubanja embuze enjeru wanika tumubanja embuze enjeru president yabawe takane sembegu ya tusiko ya mairo ze semba bule ba producing embuze bwanika nate kayo muzimubuze bwanika should explain his relationship with the sembegu ya and where this money went
mutu mubanje embuze enjeru
kubanga zembabulira I'm a honest man nti sajja lino bamwita basajja mivule ono kumwasiba basajja mivule yali akola kabozi ne mugobyayo nabeera ayido basajja mivule n'agenda akola ne bwaniko oyo omusomo nga kana akasajja tekagala kuliyayo omusomo gwonna ne bakwamba nti baalidde ssente ku bantu omwana ne bamusiba oyo gundi oyo
basajja mivule
nadduka emisiri n'agenda ku NBS n'afunayo omulimu ne batandika omunoonya olwa ssente tebanoonya bwanika naye banoonyani ono mwana bwe baatu yatuukako n'okusula mu NBS kakati omuvubuka oyo ne bamukola batya ne bamulimba ne muwanga tukubafunidde emirimu mujje omusajja oyo bwe yatuuka ku geti ya radio mwe baali bamutwala ne TV bagoba mugobe. He's bitter. You are not human beings. This man, the music he's making is to attack a whole tribe as tribalistic. Baba mubonyabonyiza takola mumusibye nkukubanyondo mutwe nkuyingiza kabuli munaku 3 nze sijoge bwe bibyamu kakati bano babizonto bo oloza nti banalekayo bano bagundi. Why? The battle has nothing to do with the tribe. but mwalya sente zaabwe te kakagombya ne katema ne kadduka mbuka bivuddemu ebyabo simani.
Okay. Tuli ku Pal FM ekula eri omuntu wa bulijjo kwebaza nnyo mu Uganda kubanga otwekumiddeko gwe ali naffe
tunuulira Nsereko the way articulates issues. Nsereko is different from Bobi Wine. Nti Nsereko avaayo olwakuba naye ayinamu gundi omanye the moment you lose kasoba ngo ina gwolwanyisa you tend to drag in tribalism where you fear to mention the name. I'm seeing gundi deteriorating mu Kampala tusobola bireta mu Uganda temuli mu tribalism talimu gwoloza nti bano aba muri venue bemuga nti bawestana baki bwe baba banyigiriza kugala amaduka bamala kulonda mugabali. No, you think nti abali mu wina abatunda engoye bonna bakabiremu
anti bano baganti ulida bano baganti eno bali mu wino bitongole waliwo babirimu aba
naye nga sinsobola kuzimba president yali agambye mu Kenya ngenda kuzimbira ekizimbe ogulira ekizimbe musendiremu products za mu Kenya amufeze mbwakole enyonya akola bikyakole none akola ki. Can't I buy a building nenjiteka mu abegende abatunda ebikadde kubakati the problem is to mix the food stuff with textiles. Kati aba textile bakolawa. Once you see a mafia does not provide a solution. Do you believe dala abanaiti runakine ekyaba bye ekirala bayina wengoye ze bakoze omusobola okutungibwa amasuuti kati oba beetaaga transition? Where do you get ekintu nga ku mulembe gw'obote ti budget nkyeyongedde starting with midnight? Where do you find tinaitiru kubanga bo bakopya ekintu kya Museveni ti was selling Chinese? What's the difference by bringing items from China to be manufactured here? No musajja walale bwe yakola bamu ettaka ne bamwena maso egindi wano egindi wano ekinankani wano nga wali aponye erale man nga bijja bweru dale empaji bishi byonna paka lo yabba Museveni nadduka nga yerimbise mu kintu bu. No, we shall not buy. Tetujja kugula masuuti gamwago tebayina bye bakola. Let there be an inspection abo naba akasita baba kwata da kyovola basijja kulwanira abasuubuzi mmwe. Yes, abasuubuzi bawa kasita sente kasita bajiwamba da wali abayindi kasawulya president kyayogedde nga bakyerimbikamu. You people, you are selling Chinese goods. What's the difference omu China okuva ewaabwe najja akolera wano gundi zino sandals? Yes, the same behavior, but we must look what the future of our people. Lwaki Bobi Wine mafia bebagala tabikwatako
katono nnyo
yogera ku Bobi Wine. Bobi Wine yavumiridde ki ekikwata nti avumirira kino n'avumirira abasuubuzi batulugunya n'avumirira ababodaboda n'avumirira nti mu parliament by now Bobi Wine yalibadde mu parliament amanye etteeka ly'emmwanyi yali lyogeredde ekirimu bamafia takikuba mbati nkubuulira sitadde Bobi Wine.
Okay, mirundi katono ne Mwami Museveni afuna kutulo ennaku zino mwana nga
Museveni is a lucky man. Njagala obubuulira Museveni akere ku makyagambe nti abalemesezza okusoma beebo kuba yabadde meeting nga bamu abanene bali ku Zoom chairman nabala ku pano basatu n'oyo professor yawumbye
bwalaba ebintu bya
nga bali ku education netwogera omuntu aganya abaana okudda mu ssomero netumwogera nti ye gundi. How can you play around with a ministry headed by a first lady which involves millions of people? Nibatule ku Zoom yabwe nibakola bwe bati nyamu helping them nti abantu wano Museveni yamanyi situation nange
ongambe nti yebaka kutulo
anti babikola abamanyi
kutulo tujjawa
yalwawo okukola nkugambe nti goloza katabimanyi bakugambyeko bakugamba meyo meeting yabwe yonna ate ndo byogeranga kubanga babula siddi we azitwala ne wabula ebyuma we biri ne bagano ne bali mu compromising. yabaga nti amwagala muwache tanti ayogera ku radio nti twamufiiriza omulimu nakye madman kakati badde tulina 10 billion izo muziteekaawo nze nayagala nze kuzimu. You see the problem, how to solve Mirundi's problem is to make him busy, give him money. Professor wasomera bwerere. I doubt whether you are not an economic professor, whether you do what omukazi omwenzi bwomutera wo famu yenkoko tayenda achicho mbwe abera attention nga ali kunkokoze
atayenda atya.
Let me tell you, Professor, you don't know me and you don't know my background. Do you think nti ebyo byoyogera can make Mirundi blind? Can 10 billion sizirina? Can 10 billion make me blind? I don't have 10 billion. So Professor tiyasoma sampling, tukita sampling bazanyira kombe muzanyira kombe muwa sente nachi sibe bafe nze mbala government nenjibala nze sigazayo mmeka sijja kudduka wati the course president yagama naberanga ku nsalo ya Tanzania ngandira yinga kuba venta tasobola kulusinga. Do you know what it means? Nze bansibira ke Dubai era lwalugezezwa aba State House batutadde abantu batano kugundi mu visa sibimanyi nakatandika okutambula batukutte sinze sibamanyi bali be bataddeko. Don't you know that these Ugandan names idiots kakati you see naye twamala we weekends nga batukwatira batuita bagundi batusabuyitirize ku humiliating gundi ntuyine enjaga because an arrogant person in the State House don't tell us can have the courtesy netwala bange nyonyi entebe Dubai entebe tulaba abagenda. Is that what I want to be in Nairobi? Oba wano temutu wadde erije mulituwera omuntu Jones ne mutu
wagala kubebaza abatuliriza mwe bali nnyo mwe bali ddala twekumirako kutu mukirize tukume wano leero mbebaza nnyo gye musinzira okutwegattako ebitundu by'eggwanga ebitali bimu. Okay, twagala okwebaza banaffe abali awo ku tendekero ya London Media Academy n'abatuwuliriza mu bitundu bye Wankulukuku awali Imam Muhammad Katongole
mbaleeta mu Tanzania akole lubalala omukambu wabakimbo watakola bano bakokolira okwo mbwe ekivuddeko amakoko okutabuka lubalala era naye bamubbire muleeta omu Tanzania bana naye mubbye nnyo bagundi mubbye organize abantu mubbye mbu baleeta mbu gavumenti ereeta omu Tanzania akole lubalula atamanyi mu bano bagundi naye onadigida yani kalaso mwitani nti gwe tobamanyi waliwo kalaso yani kokuliro okuyadigida namu bage mbwa abo tebakyatabula kwafu baleese omu Tanzania amakabiriti obwedda nkubira essimu ikabiriti musawo mu Tanzania aliwa n'ababanja bamuleeta n'aloga akalulu kati yazze naye ayina lisiti yaba Tanzania yotero ayina lisiti y'abantu bawano aba politicians balogera akalulu kati luli abamulyaza amanya ayagala kuyita press conference abogere
ono mwali ono
aliwa bonna baga ministry ya health bwegenda kuleta omusajja Tanzania atabule lubalulu omuka bamalobo tabangu ku maka ne mubbye nnyo.